I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and moving straight to Settings. This is where clearing history is controlled. Once in Settings, choose the profile you want to affect, because clearing applies per profile. Make sure sync is off if you do not want deletions propagated to other devices. Next, locate Privacy and Security in the left menu. You will use its controls to remove browsing data. Don't pause, go to Privacy and Security now to continue. Once there, click Clear Browsing Data to open the main dialog. This is the control panel for what gets removed. You must pick a time range, last hour, 24 hours, or all time, so choose based on how thorough you want to be. Then check the boxes for browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. If you need advanced options like passwords, switch to Advanced and decide deliberately whether to include them before you proceed. To finish, click Clear Data and allow Chrome a moment to remove the selected items. Larger time ranges can take longer. Once done, verify your history is cleared by opening the History page. If entries remain, make sure you cleared the correct profile and that sync did not restore items. Sign out and repeat if necessary. If problems continue, restart Chrome or clear the device's system cache, then try again. This usually resolves stubborn remnants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.